Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. Do you know that infographics are nice tools to make money online with? And for sure, if you are not familiar what infographics are a beautiful design where you can convey your message in an attractive and visual way. And your message could be steps to do something or to solve a problem or statistics or tips and tricks, pieces of advice and much more. So of course you can use infographics to make monetize in different ways, and I'm gonna show you all these ways shortly in this video. However, first of all, how we can get and make all these beautiful infographics for free. So the first website, that is infography.in. Here you can make and create beautiful infographics using AI. So you can sign up for free in this amazing website. Then you can be taken to this dashboard where you can either insert here the URL or the link of any article you want to convert this content of this blog post into a beautiful infographic, or you can use topic or a prompt, or you can simply insert your text. So I just select this one URL, and then you can select the dimensions and the size of your infographic you want to generate. So I will keep this vertical one, and here you can select your language from this set of these target languages. So you can create your infographic in different languages like for Hindi, Russian, English, Spanish, and so on. So I will create one for English. Okay. And now, for example, we can go to Google and look for something like how to survive earthquake. So I will take randomly one of these beautiful articles like this one, for example. Okay, 7 steps to earthquake survival. Copy link address and go back to our tool. Insert here in this box and click over this button, generate. And just in a few seconds. And here you go, these amazing results as you see. Beautiful, amazing themes, graphics, texts, and so on to convey your message about the steps to survive in earthquakes as you observe. So here you can actually select one of them like this one, for example, and here you can find below each of these beautiful infographics edit tools, so you can change the font or the size of any paragraph or text you want. You can change the graphics as you like, and so on and so forth. Then it's ready to download for free as a PNG image for your device. So this amazing website is infography.in. The next tool quickly to generate high quality infographics, that is Napkin.ai. Here in this amazing website you can generate an infographic inside an article about any topic you like. So for example, if I select one of these random prompts like this one, the best practice for a hiring interview, so select that one quickly and continue, and this amazing website create for you a whole article talking about this topic as you see. And the best part here in Napkin, for every single paragraph inside this article you can generate or you can convert this paragraph into an amazing infographic. So if you stand here, you can find this sign, click over it. So this amazing tool analyzes this paragraph and converts it to a beautiful infographic as you see, with different styles that convey the message or the concept of this paragraph in an easy way. So I will select this one quickly. Perfect, with different styles, different colors. Okay, as you see, effective hiring interviews as you observe. Then you can download this image for free to your device. Not only that, if you select more than one point like this one, prepare You can actually combine all these points in one infographic using the same tool. So you can click over this sign again, and translates all these points into a one infographic, as you would see. It's like this one. So I will take another one like this one, as you see. Then you can download this image for free to your device, and the best part, you can change its style, font, colors as you like. So this amazing website is napkin.ai. And the third tool to generate and create infographics, that is Piktochart.com. It's one of the first tools to create infographics on the internet. And here you can find an updated version. You can create infographics with AI. So you can click over this button quickly, and here you can select your template you want, infographic, and with different styles like for comparison, newsletter, short, timeline, and list. So I will try this one, list one, and write anything like how attacking dogs, for example, and click for this button, generate infographics. And here you go, this amazing infographic that talking about the steps how to avoid and how to defend against the attacking dogs, as you observe. And the best part here, if you want to edit this infographic by changing some images that are not relevant to your topic or your infographic all in all, so you can click over this button, edit this infographic. Then all you need to do, if you select one image like this one, and then go to graphics and go to photos section, and then you can select something like I, for example, any relevant query. Okay, and I will take this one, as you see. And instead of drag and drop, just you can select your image in question and select one alternative image, as you see. Then you can download this infographic for free to your device, or you can actually zoom out a little bit and here you can make this text larger. Okay, like this one, for example, and likewise in all these slides. Then you can take a screenshot of this infographic for free. And if you are using Windows, you can press over Shift, Windows, and S letter, so you can activate the screenshot on the system. Then you can take this infographic, as you see. And the next tool quickly to create and generate infographics, that is Venngage.com. Using AI, you can create a stunning, amazing infographic. Insert here your beautiful prompt, and you will get an amazing infographic, as you see. Or you can use Canva.com. And then the best part here on Canva, you can actually specify the niche or the field plus the word infographics. For example, if I want to create and get some infographics about marketing or promotion or Pinterest or something like that, fitness, weight loss, so just you can write here. Then you will find here 10,000 of pre-made or done for you templates about this topic and this niche. So all you need to do, just you can select one of them and just download it to use later on making money online, or you can customize it later as you like. And here it comes now how we can make money online using infographics. The first way, you can use infographics as a promotional tool to promote your website and get more visits to it as backlinks. And the best strategy here, you can use Pinterest.com. You can post many infographics about your topics and about your niche, and link back to your article and your posts here to your blog on Pinterest. Number two, you can use infographics, of course, to promote your store and promote your affiliate products. So you can create a page on Instagram or Pinterest and just upload and post many infographics talking about a specific problem or a specific niche. Then you can drive many people to your link in bio to make money online with your affiliate link or your digital products. The third way you can provide this gig of making infographics about any topic or from any URL or a blog post in freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and so on. Number 4, you can use infographics and sell them as pre-made printables on Etsy, Creative Market, Creative Fabric, and so on, talking about a specific niche or a specific topic. If you use Canva to create all these templates or these infographics, you can actually share that template link to make anyone take advantage of these pre-made infographics. The next way to make money online using infographics, that is, you can sell them in print on demand as stickers or wall art. Many people looking for some devices, some pieces of advice, and some tips and tricks in any lifestyle activities using a visual aid. And the next way to make money online, of course, you can create an ebook or a complete guide. It consists of many infographics around a specific topic. And by the end, thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, you can leave us a comment section. See you in the next video.